Hello, everybody. Wow. Had a very full day today, and if I look really red, don't be scared. I just took an extremely hot bath, and I exfoliated my skin real good because I had a lot of really dry patches on my skin, and all this will clear away in a few minutes. Had to wash. It was hair washing night. Definitely needed to get the hair washed. Went to the gym today, and I'm not sure what time it is. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 5:42 p.m.
So it's about 5:45. It is evening time, and my husband is already showered and dressed and downstairs, and he is sitting on the front porch. He loves this heat. I'm not a real big fan of super hot days, but we was in the pool today, so it was so nice. Anyhow, I thought that I would film a evening routine with you guys. I have not really done one in this house or since I got married, I don't think. I think I did one when I was out of town. My evening beauty routine, I think I did one when I was in Morgantown at my parents'. And so I thought that I would do my nighttime routine. So we got home from the gym, and every time I come home from the gym, I let Ronnie take the first shower, and I put on a pot of coffee, and I kind of check our messages, check my email, check my text, check my phone, all that kind of thing. And then he comes downstairs, and we have a cup of coffee together. And then by that time, the hot water is built back up, and I can come up here and take my shower. But I usually just take a bath. I don't even take a shower. So I took a bath. We have one of those big antique tubs in this house, and so taking a bath is super luxurious because I love that tub. I just do. It's the kind with the claw feet on it and everything. It is so nice to take a bath. Anyhow, I took my bath, washed my hair, exfoliated my skin, and I've got to comb my hair out and find a pair of shoes, and I'm going to go downstairs, and I am going to start a load of laundry. Every time we come home from the gym, I take whatever dirty clothes that we have in the bedroom here and put with our swim stuff, and that way I just do a full load of laundry. And that gets washed up, and then we are not going to need our swim clothes or our gym stuff until Tuesday. So it'll be all washed and ready, for the next time we go to the gym. So I'm going to do that. My bedding is in the dryer because I washed my bedding this morning and it dried, and it's still in the dryer. And I have a load sitting on the chair downstairs that I need to fold. I have got non-perishables from the grocery store on the kitchen table that need to be put away. So I have a lot of chores to do this evening. And I'm not sure how much I'm going to get done, but I am going to take you along on my evening and kind of share with you guys. I also have, what else was there? There was something else that I forgot. Whoop. I do need to sweep and mop and tidy. Oh, I got to cook dinner. We are going to have rice and tacos tonight. Something very, very simple. And you guys said that you enjoyed seeing the products that I used. So I got a couple here. So after I exfoliate, which I don't have it in hand, it's in the bathroom on the tub. But I used the St. Ives Apricot facial scrub to get all my dead skin off. I love it. I have been using it for a long time, and some people find that it's a little bit of an extreme exfoliator because it really does, it's very rough. Okay, it's not something that I use every single day, but I do use it because I do get a lot of buildup of dry skin here real bad and right here. So anyhow, today was the first day that I didn't wear any makeup all week, so my face got a real good breathe, and I just exfoliated real good, and then I lotioned up with this Aveeno Positively Radiant cream. I have been using this for years. In fact, this bottle is almost empty, and it came from Ollie's. And I always moisturize my lips, and I'm dropping something. I always moisturize my lips, and my son sent me a packet of lip balms from Trader Joe's. And that's what the front of it looks like. I don't know if this is something that they regularly carry or whatever, but these are amazing and they're very moisturizing, and I use these every single day since I got them around Christmas. Now, before I go down, I'm going to use this product, okay, and I'm going to put it through the bottom of my hair and up underneath my neck because I get tangles real bad in my hair, and I'm going to comb my hair out real good before I go downstairs and put supper on because I'm hungry and I'm ready to eat. So somebody is supposed to come this evening, I think, and finish the grass cutting. We did get the carport area cut, and the front near the street is done, and now the inside the fence in the backyard needs to be done, and they couldn't get the riding lawnmower in through the fence gate, so they're going to come back with a riding lawnmower and do that for us this evening, I think. So that is on the agenda for this evening. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm Heidi. Welcome to Kiddos Koral. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. It is so awesome to have you come and watch my video. So I'm going to get started with my day. My evening. And trust me, it's evening. Guys, this is that part of day where I know that I just have to keep plugging to get things done. So I'm going to comb my hair out and get to work. My swim clothes in there. I'm going to toss in our mask that we wore today. And I'm using the Gain pods. Love these. Smell really good. Does the trick. You are hearing my washing machine in the background and meat sizzling on the stove, so I apologize. But I did want to show you guys, I buy a big giant pan of hamburger meat, and I just cut it into 4. And one meal I use 1 of these, and the other ones I'm going to put up in these freezer bags, and I'm going to put in the freezer. So a lot of you guys notice that I buy chicken rice in a box, and I think it's got good flavor and I love it. So I've got it all mixed up in here, and you know, all you do is add your water and your butter and your rice and your seasoning packet, and you basically let it simmer until it thickens and the rice is al dente. Well, before I do that, I add a can of black beans while that's cooking. Okay. And I stir that in there with it. And then I just let that simmer just like the package directions. And then once it's almost done, I grabbed the wrong can. Hold on one second. Okay, I noticed I grabbed the wrong thing. So here we go. We got the black beans and the rice cooking. And then when that gets just about done, I add a drained can of the diced tomatoes. And that spices it up real good. I've got my taco meat over here. And I've got my shells over here. And what I do is when the rice is about done, I put my meat and my cheese inside my tacos and pop them into the oven till the cheese is nice and melted. And then I add all of our, you know, goodness to it. You know, the sour cream and the salsa and that kind of thing. The never-ending problem in this house because I don't have a dishwasher, and I am the dishwasher, but that's okay. So we just had supper, and my mother-in-law came over and ate with us, which was awesome. So I've got some dishes on the kitchen table, along with groceries that need to be put away. And I said to her, I said, if I knew you were going to come over and eat with us, I would have put all this away. She said, oh my gosh, don't worry about that. Anyway, These are clean. I washed these early this morning. And so I had a towel over them. I always cover them up. I don't know, like keep dust or anything off of them. I don't know. Anyways, I've always done it. And anyways, I pulled the towel off and I'm going to quickly put away these dishes. And then I'm going to wash the next set of dishes. All washed up. It was not too bad. Honestly, did not take me as long as I thought it would. And thank the Lord for it, right? I love to end the evening with a nice clean sink. And whenever I got done washing the dishes, I love to use this method cleaner. This is amazing. I just bought this bottle and I don't know what it is, but the smell of this stuff just makes me want to clean everything. Now I have to tackle putting away all of this stuff on the kitchen table. Kitchen table is all cleared. I'm rinsing off my grapes. I honestly think this is the sorriest bunch of grapes I've ever bought, but they are going to be clean. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull them all off the little vines and I'm going to freeze them because I love frozen green grapes. Just folded the load of laundry that I had. Mostly towels, stuff that we took to the gym with us. So tonight I mixed up a spaghetti salad. I also filmed the recipe for you guys, so be looking for that. It will be coming out soon. This is amazing stuff here. And so if you're interested on how to make this great spaghetti salad, and it's got a secret ingredient, that's all I can tell you. Be sure to tune in because it's coming soon. It is so good. So good. Now it is time to wind down a little bit. I do still need to spot mop the floor. I ran upstairs and I made my bed really quickly because I'm kind of like, if I don't make this bed right now, I am not going to have a bed to get into tonight. So I am having this tension tamer herbal tea. And I just use my Keurig to put water in it. And I just do 1 Splenda and a little tiny teaspoon of milk, and that is my tea. So, forgive the lighting, it is late. I do want to say thank you so much for tuning in. I've decided not to spot mop because I am still working on a project upstairs, and I'm going to be bringing a lot of stuff downstairs and over to my mother-in-law's, and so I decided to save the floors till tomorrow. I'm sitting here with my tea. It is late, and we are going to watch an episode of Dallas, and then we're going to head to bed. You know when it is bedtime or early in the morning when I have a hoodie on, because I get cold when I'm tired, and I just love wearing this hoodie. It's actually not mine, it's actually my husband's, and I steal it from him all the time because it's big and it's heavy, and it's one of those perfect hoodies, that you just feel like you're covered in a blanket. Anyhow, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed. I hope you are having a fabulous day when you watch this. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. There's going to be a lot of great content coming your way. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Good night, guys.